Jason, I'm replacing the UC-9050T switch on my MinkaAire fan. The new switch has 8 toggle on the side while the old had 4. The old had switches 1 and 2 on, and 3 and 4 off. How do I set up the new switch toggles? Can't seem to make it work.
Welcome. My name is would be glad to assist. What was the make and model of the old wall controller? The fan you have in place is a MinkaAire, correct? Model number? Let me know and we can continue, thanks. Forgot the most important question, sorry. 1. Was the new wall control purchased as a package and has a new ceiling receiver also? Thanks.
Tommy, the old wall controller was a MinkaAire UC-9050T model CHQ8BT9051T. The new controller is a MinkaAire WCS213. Couldn't find the same controller online to replace the old one. The fan is a MinkaAire Delano. The new controller was purchased separately and I did not change out the receiver in the fan. BTW, the model on the WCS213 is TR111A.
Okay, thanks for the added information. The issue you have at this time is the old wall control matched the receiver in the ceiling, which operate on a set frequency dictated by the 4 slide switches. The new wall controller actually has a different setup, and you set the slide switches, 8 of them, and then when turning on the fan, as you posted was done, pushing the stop button for the 6 seconds, the receiver will accept the code that is being generated by the wall controller. The receiver you have will not recognize that frequency since it is the set in stone type that worked with the old wall controller. So, that said, unfortunately the wall controller will not work with the old receiver. You would need to purchase the newer receiver to match the wall controller or get another older wall control to match the receiver you have now. Wish there was an easier solution, but the manufacturers change the way they operate quite often, and only when the receiver and wall control operate off the same setup, equal switches and frequencies, will they work with each other. Hope that helps with the explanation. Let me know anything further that can be of assistance. Thanks.
I was afraid of that. Thanks anyway.
I do understand. I wish they were all universal, but manufacturers love to make it difficult for everyone. You are most welcome. Wish it was better news, but only a receiver will take care of the situation now. The link below has some good information on their controls and the newer units. http://www.ulighting.com/mnkdubc213c.html.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.